Hi, my name is David Cantor, and I'm with the law offices of David Michael Cantor, and welcome to my blog. Today's topic has to do with what's known as ankle bracelet monitoring. Now, there's two different types of monitors. There's a GPS ankle bracelet, which is the newest technology, and then there's the old radio frequency bracelets, which is old technology, which basically doesn't work that well. If somebody gets too far away from their home base or their home, it'll lose touch with the bracelet, and then somebody will get warned that they're out of area. With a GPS bracelet, wherever somebody goes, they can be monitored anywhere in the world, and so GPS technology is better. And the reason I'm talking about this today is because of Dr. Emilio Luna, 40 years old. On September 1st, 2010, he was arrested for an allegation of distributing child pornography. He was placed on home arrest and in pretrial services custody, and they put a radio frequency bracelet on his ankle. And he was also released to his sister's custody. Well, what happened was he was allowed to go to church and return home, and he had a 4-hour window. When he didn't return home, the bracelet went off, and the pretrial services officer contacted Luna's family. Told them, if you cannot find him, call the police and tell them about it. Well, they didn't call the police until 4 or 5 hours later. For some reason, the pretrial services officer left it up to them. By the time they called the Glendale Police Department, Mr. Luna was long gone. They found his car in the church parking lot with the bracelet cut off with a pair of bolt cutters laying next to it. Now, they think he might be in Texas, California, Illinois, or in Mexico, and they're looking for him. And there's a $20,000 reward out for his arrest. I guess what this shows is that this radio frequency bracelet technology is outdated. In fact, Chris Thomas of GPS Technology, who is a specialist for probation monitoring services of Arizona, states that with a GPS bracelet, they would have been able to figure out exactly where he was. Meaning, if his location was at his church and he had moved an inch within several hours, they'd probably figure out he's either dead, asleep, or cut the bracelet off. And they could have moved a lot quicker on this. I think that all of the pretrial services should switch over to the GPS monitoring. They should get rid of the radio frequency bracelets, and they should also look into this pretrial services officer's future employment with regard to the Mr. Luna case. But that's just what I think. Tell me what you think.